Hi everyone, how are you? Today I wanted to share some of the product I got from Purl Soho's website, and it's so many things, so I don't know where to start, but I guess let's start with the tools I got. So this is sweater Rake. I don't know if the pronunciation is correct, but you can use this to get the fuzz, remove the fuzz from your sweater, and this is so good. I tried to use yesterday and I could get lots of fuzz from my sweater. And I also got a comb to carry with me. And this is like I can carry with this. How do I say this small bag? And I also got this folding scissors. You can pull here and it turned into this small scissor. I think it's brilliant, especially when you want to carry the scissor with you. So let's start. You cannot see this, but I have a mountain of yarn here. So some of you may know I am currently writing the pattern for this sweater, and I got some of the yarn to make another sample for this sweater, and the yarn I got is good wool. I got several colors, different colors. So this is the dark spruce, I think. This is my favorite color so far. And this one is fern green. This one is teal twilight. Olive oil. Yeah, that's this one looks exactly like olive oil. And hayfield. This one I will use this to knit this. How do I say it in English? I don't know how to say this, but this part I will knit this part with this yellow color. I also got driftwood gray and apple cider. So these yarns that I showed you are for knit this penguin wing sweater, and this sweater is a twin design, so I made knitted version and crochet version of this. So I will make two more samples for each for this cardigan, and yeah, I will use these colors to create another sample. Then I got another yarn, which is linen quill. I will use this yarn for my another project, and it will probably be a dress, knitted dress, and this is the color oatmeal gray, and this one is high tide, I think, and this one is rosewood pink. So the dress will be these 3 color combo. Isn't it beautiful? And this yarn is very interesting because it is made from fine Highland wool, alpaca and linen. So I believe it is a little bit stronger or tougher fabric because of the linen, so I guess I will like it. I really would like to show all the yarn I get because this is a mountain of yarn. Like, look at them, oh, so beautiful, isn't it? So I have to start winding them and start making another sample and write the pattern. And this is my first crochet pattern, so I am struggling a lot because I don't know where to start. So it's been a little bit difficult for me, but yeah, enjoying so far. Let's show you this one too, this small mountain. Oh my god. I don't know where to store them because, you know, I live in Japan and our home is a very small apartment, and I already have so many yarn and wools. Yeah, but this is Nita's life. So yeah, I just wanted to show you what I got from the Purl Soho's website, and I hope that I can share some updates about the pattern and maybe see you guys soon. Thank you very much for watching, and see you later. Bye bye.